Bumblebee, come with me. I'm gonna try and fix your voice box up. Alright, Bumblebee, now hold still while I try to fix you, okay? Alright. Okay. Z- 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 Now hold still, Bumblebee. This might tickle. I know, Bumblebee. That tickled, didn't it? And that should do it. How do you feel, Bumblebee? I feel great. Bumblebee, your voice is back. I have did it. Yes, you fixed it, Ratchet. Let's go back and tell everyone the good news. Ratchet, did you fix Bumblebee? I did what I could, Octopus. I did what I could. Bumblebee, how are you feeling? I'm feeling real great. Like I just came out of something. Yay! What? Oh, my voice! Hey, yeah! Oh, excuse me. I'm so happy I fell over. Oh, the voice! Hey, yeah! Well, I got my voice box fixed. Thank you, Ratchet. You're welcome, Bumblebee. I am glad to be back in talking business. Me too, Bumblebee. Glad to hear it again. So am I. Blades, my friend, I am glad to be talking back to you. So am I.